Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Hello, I'm Lisa. We are off to IKEA today. It's Saturday morning. We plan to get there nice and early to get there for breakfast. It's a bit of a family trip as we want to go and have a look, as we'd like to redo Louis's bedroom. It's a teenage bedroom and it's needed redoing for quite some time now, and we keep meaning to do it, but it's time to get it done. We are heading for ideas. We don't have a huge shopping list. It's predominantly an ideas trip. I do, however, want to get a drawer unit for my studio. I forgot it off my list when I last went, and that was last March, and I kept meaning to go back and get it. So that is on my shopping list today. So come along and join us. Oh look, that's a nice bed.
I wanted it up a level or ground level.
Isn't it on there?
Lisa.
I don't know. I can't remember. I've only been here once before. We've got to IKEA just before opening and we're going to go and grab some breakfast. It's nice and quiet actually. I expected it to be busier so far. Did you?
Maybe a phone.
Maybe, yeah, maybe. Should do an elevator selfie. Oh look, they do peri peri chicken and sweet potato fries. That looks really nice actually. I need a picture for my thumbnail. I'm gonna go over here.
Sorry.
Oh, that probably tastes horrible. Why does it feel so exciting coming here? Oh, I like those baskets. I think they're the same, aren't they? It looks quieter this side. Where's Abe gone? Are you grabbing a trolley? It's naughty to have a can of Coke at 10 o'clock in the morning. It's my nighttime treat. No, it's so naughty to have Coke at 10 o'clock in the morning. I think 4 trays. We can have a tray each, Holly. Yeah, we're having breakfast though.
Need one each. Do you want me to get another thingy? Because there's only 3 on there.
Oh, 3's fine. I think we can manage with 3. You could have a dime bar cake, Holly. You're having cheesecake for breakfast.
Is that what you're having?
Louis, what are you having?
Well, if you and Louis share a tray then, Holly. We'll pick up them.
No, oh go on, I'll share a can of Coke. Oh, they're only £1. Guys, what are you drinking?
Holly, can we have the things, please?
What do you want to drink? But do you like the look of that? Oh, actually, it looks a bit... This has got gold stuff on this chocolate cake. Holly, what are you having to drink? Oh, that apple cake looks like what we used to have in Germany. Oh, I don't know. They must have... oh, they're on little things. What are you wanting? Cheesecake. And then no thing is to pick it up with.
No. No, but you having a bottle of water?
Yeah, I won't tell anyone. Oh, they've got mushrooms. I like mushrooms. Breakfast. Holly's baby breakfast. Everyone happy with their breakfast? So we've got a couple of regulars. Holly's got a baby breakfast and cheesecake.
Just slide that down there, please. Sorry.
Yep. I've gone for the veggie option because I really wanted the mushrooms. How many breakfasts did you have, Aid? 2. That's like so good. Oh my god, and a kid's breakfast.
And a cake.
That's so greedy. Making polite conversation, Louis?
Yeah. I just want to put companion.
Right, we're ready to go. One of these in your bedroom. Louis, Holly, come here. There's something for your room. No, they're not being very friendly. I do like the one with the mirror.
If it wasn't that shape, so it looks quite old.
Yeah, I know what you mean, a bit more modern looking, but the mirror on the front's really nice. See, now you can have a look at some of the bedrooms. There's that wardrobe. I like that chair as well. That was the other wardrobe. I quite liked that one.
I think that's more practical.
But he likes the mirror on the outside, which I can understand.
That's what I say, they did this one with the mirror on the other one.
Holly, have you seen all the shelf with the plants at the top? Looks really nice. Oh yeah, I wanted to look at desks. I love seeing how all the rooms are set up. Oh Holly, this is a nice idea on the back of the drawer, on door.
I love this song.
You can have a lie down on that, Louis. Suits you not.
And definitely white. What about that one there on the back? I do quite like the idea of a day bed actually.
No, it's you feel like you can, and also, Louis, you can.
Oh, this is it when it's opened out, Louis. It's bed linen. Oh, I wanted to look for that bed for you that I saw you as well, Holly. I really like the wood behind the bed. That looks really nice. This was the bed I saw for you and liked.
That one there does match the wardrobe.
Yeah, I think I quite like that one for the studio next to my desk. I think a desk like this would be ideal. Is that similar to my planner desk?
Similar, but yours is, it's got a loose top.
Oh, that's true. This is, or was it one of these? Because as long as I can fit A4 paperwork in it. I'm sure, yeah, it might have been even this one that I looked at last time, but in white.
You looked at those last time.
Yeah, I'll have, but in white. The white, does it matter? Do you know? You know the desk where I do my scrapbooking on,
Yeah.
with all the tissue paper, that would be ideal because it's got all the drawers for the different colour tissue paper rather than having cupboards. I love that that moves up and down.
It's so nice. We do it well.
Yeah.
We just stand up.
I like
20
that.
minutes.
It's so cool to have a studio large enough to have a great big table. That would make packing so much easier, wouldn't it? I like that. I really like this. Have you seen the little nook in the back garden area? That's really cool.
That would be a chance.
Yeah, and now we're in the marketplace. Anyone need a new bin? £1.75. Gonna have a look at some uni crockery for Holly. I like the blue design. That's quite nice. I like those plates. I like this design, the blue. Speaker system sounds dreadful, doesn't it? Going to buy some shelves for the kitchen for our coffee mugs. And then pretend wood.
Yeah.
Don't like those.
No, I was just seeing what they were. Put those brackets over those ones.
Yeah, I like these ones. Do you agree? They looked nice downstairs. They're £4 each, aren't they? Which hangers are they? Oh, that's not bad. What about the ones that are cats, Holly? Would they be handy? Or are they dogs?
No, they won't hang in my wardrobe.
No, stock up on coat hangers. I like the little sofa. It's cute, isn't it?
Comes out as a,
Yeah, I like the colours.
both sides do.
Look nice. I like that yellow rug over there.
Got the one there.
Yeah. Oh, these are quite cool.
Yeah. I've been to all of those places.
Shovel. Picked up the tea lights. What's that, Louis? I like this little garden setup. It's quite cute. Waiting for Holly, we have coat hangers. This is Holly's bag. She has plant pots and storage baskets. Got candles. Holly's things for uni. I think that's all we've got. Oh, and shelf brackets. The white one that I wanted.
Yeah, just white, look.
Excellent. Yeah.
So,
I was hoping it would come ready-made.
I thought it was, well, it's metal.
It's metal. Coming in the bargain corner with me.
I thought the whole thing was fine.
Let's see what we can find in the bargain corner. Holly, do you want some plates? Let's go around this way. It's always a mess in the bargain corner, isn't it? I'm not feeling the urge. £63 for the wardrobe?
No, but look at the bottom.
Yeah, I know. And he wanted a clean white one, didn't he? I've renamed the bargain corner the crap corner because it's just crap. but I might take this for £1.20. Can't find the one we want. Oh, typical, isn't it? So you guys had a cake, donut, of a queue for the lift. Hello there, we are back from IKEA. We actually came back a couple of days ago. I didn't video since, but I wanted to show you the little drawer unit that we put together. So Aid put this together yesterday for me. We've actually just having a clear out. I've got rid of my old sofa here and I'm waiting for a new one to be delivered. But this is the little drawer unit that I'm going to be using next to my desk. It's kind of like metallic. And I've just placed that inside so far. The drawers were kind of flat packed, so he kind of had to bend them to put them together. And it is on wheels, but I might get some stoppers or something. I don't know if I want to keep the wheels. And these bits were really straightforward to put together. It takes A4 paper and it was just £30, and it's going to replace the plastic ones that I have next to my desk at the moment. The shelves that we bought for the kitchen are too thick. The ones that we really wanted were out of stock. We took the thicker ones anyway, but they're just going to be too big. So we need to take them back, and we've decided on an IKEA date night in a couple of weeks. So we'll take the bits back and enjoy the shopping, just the two of us. We made some decisions about Louis' room, so we've got to get that cleared out, get rid of the furniture before we can buy the new. So that's on the to-do list as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will be filming a video next, clearing out the drawers, replacing them and filling them next to my desk. So if you like that kind of video, stationery, storage, studio space, that kind of thing, then please do subscribe, as that video will be coming up very soon. Thank you. If you've enjoyed this IKEA shop, please give me a lovely thumbs up, and if you like this kind of video, please do subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Bye.